Hey friends! Do you want to speak English like it's part of your everyday life? In this video, we bring you real conversations, real situations, and real phrases you can use right away. So listen closely, repeat after us, and by the end, you'll sound more natural than ever.
Good morning, Emma.
Good morning. Nice to see you out early today.
Yeah, I like to take a short walk before heading to work.
That's a great habit. How's work going these days?
Pretty busy, but I can't complain.
What do you do again?
I work as a software developer, mostly remote.
That sounds interesting.
It is, especially when things work the way they're supposed to.
I can imagine. How's your family?
Everyone's doing well, thanks. My kids are enjoying summer break.
That's wonderful. Any vacation plans?
We're thinking about going to the beach next weekend.
That sounds lovely. Which beach?
Maybe Coral Bay. It's not too crowded.
Oh, I've been there. It's beautiful.
Do you travel much?
Not as much as I'd like, but I love weekend getaways.
Same here.
Have you been gardening lately?
Yes, I just planted some new roses.
I noticed your front yard. It's looking amazing.
Thank you. I love spending time with my plants.
Gardening is relaxing, isn't it?
Very, it helps clear my mind.
I might need some tips from you.
Anytime, I'd love to help.
Thanks. Maybe this weekend?
Sure, just knock on my door. Did you hear about the new neighbors moving in?
Yes, they're moving in tomorrow, right?
That's what I heard. I baked some cookies to welcome them.
That's very kind of you.
I hope they feel at home here.
I'm sure they will. This is a friendly neighborhood.
Yes. Everyone's so nice around here.
I'm glad I moved here.
Me too.
Did you attend the community meeting last week?
I couldn't make it. Was it important?
Just updates on park maintenance and a new library project.
Oh, that sounds exciting.
Yeah, the kids will love the library.
I'd love to volunteer if they need help.
That's a great idea.
Maybe I'll ask the committee.
Let me know. I might join too.
By the way, I saw a fox in the street last night.
Really? That's rare.
It looked harmless but surprised me.
Nature's full of surprises.
Indeed. Have to be careful though.
Yes, especially with pets around.
True.
Well, I should get going. Time to log in for work.
Of course. It was lovely chatting with you.
Always a pleasure, Emma.
Have a great day.
You too. See you around.
Good afternoon, sir.
Oh, good afternoon, officer.
This is a routine check.
I see. Is something wrong?
Not necessarily, I just need to check your license and registration.
Sure, let me grab them from the glove compartment.
Take your time.
Here you go.
Thank you. How long have you been driving today?
Not very long, just heading to a friend's house.
And where are you coming from?
From work. I just got off an hour ago.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a graphic designer.
That sounds interesting.
Yeah, I enjoy it.
All right, your documents seem to be in order.
That's good to hear.
Have you had anything to drink today?
No, not at all.
Any medication that could impair your driving?
No, nothing like that.
Good. How's your car running?
It's been fine, no problems lately.
When was your last vehicle inspection?
About 3 months ago, everything was fine.
All right, do you know why we conduct these checks?
To ensure safety, right?
Exactly. It's for everyone's protection.
That makes sense.
Do you always wear your seatbelt?
Yes, always.
That's great to hear.
I try to follow all the rules.
That's what we like to see.
Is there anything else you need from me?
Not at the moment.
Okay.
Just a quick question. Were you using your phone earlier?
No, I wasn't.
Oh, right. I thought I saw something.
Maybe I was adjusting the GPS.
Got it. Try to do that before driving next time.
You're right, I'll be more careful.
Have you had any tickets recently?
No, my record's clean.
That's good. Keep it that way.
I definitely will.
Are you familiar with this area?
A little. I've been here a few times.
Traffic can get tricky here.
Yeah, I noticed that.
All right. Everything looks fine here.
That's a relief.
You're free to go. Drive safely.
I will. Have a great day.
You too, sir.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Good morning. Thank you for the opportunity.
Good morning, Doctor. I'm glad you could make it.
It's a pleasure to be here.
Let's start with a few basic questions. Could you please introduce yourself?
Certainly, my name is Dr. Adam Farris. I'm a general surgeon with over 8 years of experience.
Great. Where did you complete your medical degree?
I graduated from the University of Toronto Medical School.
And your surgical training?
I completed my residency at St. Michael's Hospital.
That's an excellent hospital. What made you choose surgery as your specialty?
I've always been fascinated by anatomy and the immediate impact surgery has on saving lives.
Very commendable. What procedures are you most confident in performing?
I specialize in abdominal surgeries, particularly laparoscope appendectomies and cholecystectomies.
Impressive. Are you comfortable working in high-pressure environments?
Absolutely, in fact, I thrive in them.
How do you handle stress during long operations?
I focus on my breathing, trust my training, and maintain clear communication with the team.
Speaking of teamwork, how would you describe your team dynamic? Doctor, I believe in respectful, efficient collaboration. I always ensure my team feels valued.
I believe in respectful, efficient collaboration. I always ensure my team feels valued.
That's important in a surgical setting. Have you mentored junior doctors before?
Yes, I've mentored several interns during their rotations.
How do you support their growth?
I give constructive feedback and allow them to assist in procedures under supervision.
Excellent. Why are you looking to join our hospital?
Your hospital has a strong reputation for innovation and patient care. I want to be part of that.
What are your long-term professional goals?
I hope to lead a surgical unit and contribute to research in minimally invasive techniques.
Do you have any ongoing research now?
Yes, I'm currently part of a study on post-op recovery rates with enhanced recovery protocols.
That's very relevant. How do you ensure patient safety?
I double-check pre-op plans, involve the full surgical team, and follow best practices strictly.
How do you handle mistakes if they happen?
With honesty and accountability, I report it, learn from it, and make sure it never happens again.
That's a responsible approach. Have you ever dealt with a difficult patient?
Yes, in such cases, I stay calm, listen to their concerns, and try to build trust.
What's your opinion on patient-centered care?
It's essential patients should be informed, respected, and involved in decisions.
What shifts are you comfortable working?
I'm open to nights and weekends as needed.
Are you currently employed?
Yes, but I'm looking to transition for growth opportunities.
Understood. What's your notice period?
I can be available within 1 month.
Do you have any experience with electronic medical records?
Yes, I'm proficient with Epic and Cerner systems.
That's helpful. How do you deal with a disagreement among staff in the OR?
I mediate calmly and prioritize the patient's well-being.
What do you do to stay updated in your field?
I attend conferences and read medical journals regularly.
What would your colleagues say is your greatest strength?
Probably my calmness under pressure and precision.
I'm working on delegating more effectively.
Do you see yourself staying long-term with us?
Yes, I'm looking for stability and a place to grow.
That's good to hear. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, what does your onboarding process look like for new surgeons?
We provide a 1-month orientation, including system training and shadowing.
That sounds comprehensive.
We also assign a mentor during the first few months.
I appreciate that support structure.
Do you need assistance with relocation?
Possibly, I'll be moving from another city.
We offer relocation support for senior positions.
That's very reassuring.
Well, I've really enjoyed speaking with you.
Likewise, thank you for your time and for considering my application.
We'll be in touch soon after reviewing the candidates.
I look forward to hearing from you.
Have a great day, Doctor.
You too, goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you for learning with us. Consistent practice leads to real improvement. Continue engaging with English daily, and your confidence will grow naturally. See you next time.